Vermix Pulse Pro is marketed as an ultrasonic pest repeller that supposedly drives away rats, mice, cockroaches, mosquitoes, and other pests using high-frequency sound waves. But the real question is, does it actually eliminate pests, or is it another gadget with exaggerated claims? Now, to be fair, ultrasonic pest repellers are real products, and some studies suggest certain pests may temporarily react to ultrasonic frequencies under controlled conditions. What it does well may temporarily disturb some pests. Certain rodents and insects can react to unfamiliar ultrasonic sounds initially, especially in small enclosed spaces. Easy to use. Most devices simply plug into a wall outlet with no chemicals, traps, or complicated setup required. Where it falls short, it usually does not eliminate infestations. This is the biggest issue. Most research and pest control experts say ultrasonic devices alone rarely solve serious pest problems. Pests often adapt over time. Rodents and insects may initially react to sound, but later ignore it once they realize there is no real threat. Scientific evidence is mixed. Multiple studies have found inconsistent or weak long-term effectiveness for ultrasonic pest control devices in real homes. So, does Vermix Pulse Pro actually eliminate pests? Short answer, maybe temporarily for some pests, but probably not reliably. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.